wake up, it's a brand new day. Jevika and Joy are ready to play. Jevika leads with wisdom bright. Joy so playful, full of life. Brutus swings and plays his pranks. Pinky sharp with clever plans. Brutus stands so big and strong, our guardian, guiding us all along. Mama's love is soft and sweet. Papa's wisdom keeps us neat. With laughter, care, and lessons true. Every day there's more to do. Jevika and Joy side by side, with kindness and love as our guide. Learning, growing, sharing, cheer. In our world there's nothing to fear. The fun star glows, shining bright, helping us do what's good and right. Brutus barks, standing tall, always there to guard us all. When trouble comes, we stay strong. With love and courage we belong. Helping hands and hearts so true. There's always a way, we'll see it through. Jevika and Joy, side by side, with friendship and love we take a ride. Brutus, Minku, Pinky too. Come along, we welcome you. Oh, we welcome you.
Guys, remember, as long as we stick together, there is no jungle we can't conquer.
And by jungle, you mean the actual jungle, right? Because I have a new plan today.
Joy, every time you say new plan, I feel like we are in for a long day.
Long day? You mean a day of adventure, right? I am in.
Huh?
Today we are taking a different path, one that no one's ever been on before.
Are you sure we are allowed to go that way? I mean, what if we get lost?
Don't worry, Pinky. I have the ultimate tool.
Oh, the ultimate tool. What is it, Joy? A magic wand? A secret map?
Maybe both. Just trust me, okay? I am the jungle guide today.
All right, Mr. Jungle Guide. But remember, if anything goes wrong, we will stick together.
And if we get lost, you are carrying me, Joy.
Here. Ta-da! I told you. I knew where I was going. Only I could lead us to something this cool.
Wow, Joy, you were right. You really do have that magic map. Or was it that ultimate tool of yours?
And here I was doubting you. You have won one brownie point. Just one.
Hey, Joy! That's my sandwich. You need healthy food too, huh?
It's not my fault. Your sandwich looks so green and nutritious. I could not resist.
Got red-handed, Mr. Jungle Guide. Now you owe Jevika 2 brownie points. Guys, it's getting a little late. Maybe we should start heading back, huh?
Don't worry, everyone. I can still show us the way. I don't have the signal. There is no network out here.
Huh? What? No network? But I thought that you had the ultimate tool.
Joy. Did you lead us out here without a map or a plan B?
I thought my phone would be enough.
Great job, Mr. Jungle Guide. Now we are the lost explorers.
panic. Everyone, it's dark now. So let's just set up camp here for the night.
But what about our parents? They will worry.
Brutus and Papa will look out for us. They know we are safe together.
I'll get the branches. Ha!
Jevika, you thought of everything.
Someone has to keep us prepared, right? Now who's ready to make a fire?
Wow, Jevika, you're like a survival expert.
Ah, ah. Guys, there is a bear and he's coming this way.
A bear? Why did I have to be the jungle guide today?
Shh. Maybe he'll just go away.
Oh my god, it's coming for us! I didn't even finish my sandwich completely.
Jevika, please do something. Ugh.
Hey, don't hit me. I was only coming to ask for some help. Some people hurt me. The wood smugglers.
Huh? You're hurt? Oh no! Don't worry, we will help you. Can you take us to these wood smugglers?
Why would we want to find them? Isn't this enough adventure?
But we can't just leave him.
Jevika is right.
Wow! Look at all the damage they are doing.
This is terrible. We have to stop them.
And how exactly are we supposed to do that?
We will figure it out together. We always do.
In a jungle deep and wide, adventure calls we cannot hide. Jevika's here with her smart mind, logical, helpful, always kind. Brutus by her side, loyal and true, guiding the friends in all they do. Jevika and Brutus leading the way with joy and cool Pinky every day. Through the forest, side by side, with good values as their guide. He's got gadgets, playful and fun, timid at times, but he gets things done. He loves his junk, but he's got heart. A hero's journey, he'll play his part. Mika's naughty, talkative too, makes mistakes but pulls us through. Jevika and Brutus